In the next question, a boat goes 12 km upstream and 40 km downstream in 8 hours. It can go 16 km upstream and 32 km downstream in the same time. Find the speed of boat in still water and speed of stream. We assume that speed of boat in still water be x kilometer per hour and speed of stream be y kilometer per hour. When a boat is being sailed against the stream, the flow opposed and thus the speed of the boat is decreased by the value of the speed of stream. While in case when it is sailing in the direction of the flow, then it is supported by the stream, speed of a stream, and thus the speed of the stream is increased. So speed of boat upstream will be x minus y and speed of boat downstream is x plus y. Now, according to some, a boat goes 12 km upstream and 40 km downstream in 8 hours. We know time is equal to distance upon speed. So, according to some, upon x minus y plus 40 upon x plus y is equal to 8. So distance 12 kilometer, speed is x minus y. So distance upon speed is time, and total time taken in going upstream and downstream is 8 hours. According to second condition, 16 upon x minus y plus 32 upon x plus y is same time 8 hours. Now suppose x 1 upon x minus y is equal to p and 1 upon x plus y is equal to q. The two equations becomes 12p plus 40q is equal to 8 and 16p plus 32q is equal to 8. The two equations may be reduced. First equation may be divided by 4 and thus it becomes dividing equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 8. The equations becomes first equation divided by 4, so it is 3p plus 10q is equal to 2, and second equation becomes twice of p plus 4q is equal to 1. Now solving the two equations by equating coefficient. So multiplying the first equation by 2 and second equation by 3, this becomes 6p plus 20q is equal to 4, and second becomes 6p plus 12q is equal to 3. Now separating the second equation from first one, p is eliminated. This is 20 minus 12, that is 8 times of q is equal to 1, or q is equal to 1 by 8. Putting q is equal to 1 by 8 in equation 1. p plus 40q is equal to 8. Instead of q we can write 1 by 8. So 12p plus 5 is equal to 8. 12p is equal to 3, or p is equal to 1 upon 4. As we have supposed p is equal to 1 upon x minus y, therefore 1 upon x minus y as p is equal to 1 upon x minus y. So 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1 upon 4, implies x minus y is equal to 4, and q is equal to 1 upon x plus y. Therefore 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 8, which implies x plus y is equal to 8. Now solving the equation 3 and 4, if we subtract equation 4 from 3, x minus y is equal to 4 minus this equation, so it becomes x is eliminated, minus y, and this becomes minus y. So minus 2 times of y is equal to minus 4, or y is equal to 2. Now we substitute value of y in equation 3. In equation 3, x minus y is equal to 4, so x minus 2 is equal to 4 implies x is equal to 6. Thus, the speed of boat in still water is 6 km per hour. Thus, speed of boat in still water is 6 km per hour, and speed of stream is y, which is 2 km per hour. In this question, 2 women and 5 men can together finish a piece of work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone and 1 man alone to finish the work. Let the time taken by 1 woman to finish the work is x days, and the time taken by 1 man to finish the work is y days. Then in 1 day, a woman can finish 1 upon x part of the work, and a man can finish 1 upon y part of the work. Then according to question, two women and 5 men can together finish the work in 4 days. So in 1 day, 2 women and 5 men together can finish 1/4 part of the work. According to second condition, 3 women and 6 men in 1 day can finish 1/3 part of the work. Let 1 upon x is equal to p and 1 upon y is equal to q. Thus the two equations becomes twice of p plus 5 times of q is equal to 1 upon 4, and thrice of p plus 6 times of q is equal to 1 upon 3. Now we multiply the equation 1 by 3 and second equation by 2. Thus the two equation becomes 6p plus 15q is equal to 3/4, and second equation 6p plus 12q is equal to 2 by 3. Now subtracting the second equation from first equation. On subtracting we get 3 times of q is equal to 1 upon 12, which implies q is equal to 1 by 36. Putting this value of q in equation second, that is 3p plus 6q is equal to 1 by 3. 3p plus 6q replaced by 1 by 36 is equal to 1 by 3, implies 3 times of p plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 by 3, which further implies thrice of p is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, and that is 1 upon 6, 3p, which implies p is equal to 1 upon 18. But we assume p is equal to 1 by x, p is equal to 1 upon x, so 1 upon x is equal to 1 by 18, and thus x is equal to 18, and q is equal to 1 upon y, so 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 36, or y is equal to 36. Thus, one woman alone can finish the work in 18 days, and one man alone can finish the work in 36 days.